Hey guys, welcome back. It's like Christmas all over again. A PR unboxing video with these boxes here. I have never actually done a PR unboxing video, usually because I do not have that many parcels at once. I get like one here and there, and I do not say yes to everything that is offered to me. I do genuinely only receive things that I think I have a genuine interest in, or something that you guys would benefit from or like. And let's start from, I feel like I should have probably got scissors or something. Yep, I definitely need scissors or something because it is all taped up. Ow! Okay, do not try this at home. Literally stab myself in the chest. So the first one is from Sand & Sky, which I'm actually really excited about. If you haven't heard of them, they are an Australian skincare brand who is super famous for their Australian pink clay mask. So they put in their classic original Australian pink clay mask, and then what's this? Australian pink clay flash perfection exfoliating treatment. Ooh, that's pretty cool. So an exfoliator. I feel like I haven't used like a classic exfoliator in a while. And then this is their newly launched product, which I'm possibly more excited about. It is Australian Emu Apple Super Bounce Mask and Dreamy Glow Drops. Ooh, the glow drops are, I'm assuming, a serum. Yep, it's got hyaluronic acid, kakadu plum and berries and things like that, so it's probably a nice hydrating moisturizing one. And then this one I'm actually super excited about. It's a bounce mask, glow and plump. So I think it's like it is a wash off. I've seen it on social media and Instagram and that. It's got vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and I was genuinely looking for a nice like moisturizing hydrating wash off mask. Ooh, it's got a little, oh, it's so cute, look at that. Oh, and they've got a silicone brush. That's so cool. Ooh. Look, can you see? It's like jelly. It's actually not a very strong smell at all. Very subtle, but very nice. I'm probably gonna try that tonight. Let's check out this bottle. Oh, okay, it's got a little thingy. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, do you see that? It's like split and it's like pink and purple. It's so pretty. Oh my god, am I supposed to shake it? That is so cool. Oh my gosh, the bottle is so pretty. Those ones I'm gonna say excited about like 50,000 times, like every YouTuber does, so I'm sorry about that. But that is the first box from Sand & Sky. This one is from, I think it's from Beautylish. Yeah, Beautylish, and it is from the brand Good Molecules. Why wait? Tired of waiting to see your skincare work? Clarify and Cleanse Bar. Ooh. I've actually received quite a few parcels from Good Molecules, and what they stand for is awesome. They use a lot of really clean ingredients. They are cruelty-free. Didn't realize that most of their products are made in Korea. I'm using their hyaluronic acid serum at the moment and actually really like it. I had used it this morning as well, but they have sent me their clarifying and cleanse bar, soap-free cleansing bar formulated with white willow bark extract, kaolin clay, kao powder to help maintain a clear complexion for acne-prone skin. Okay, so that might be a little bit drying possibly, but I will try it out maybe on the days that I'm feeling like a little rough or a little bit breakout prone, which I am definitely getting a couple right now. Oh, it's so cute though, the soap. It has like the Good Molecules like printed into it. That's so cute. And then their caffeine energizing hydrogel eye patches, formulated to firm, energize and hydrate tired eyes. Oh, so it's one of those ones that's like in a little container, and then on the side it shows you like you can kind of just put them in anywhere. Try on other target areas to firm, energize, hydrate, depuff, brighten. Sounds freaking good. The packaging and stuff is always so cute. Like it's super colorful and pink and like rainbow colored. This parcel, I mean, you can probably see, is from a site called Joohky. I hope I'm saying that right. Joohky. So Joohky is actually like a new online store which ships from Korea worldwide, and for a new store they've honestly got a lot of variety, and they were nice enough to send a couple things. I did choose a couple things, but besides that I don't actually know what else is in it. Also, they've got a little message that says thank you and a bunch of like samples. Definitely got quite a few samples. It's really cute. They've got all these notes. We got, oh, I haven't even heard of this brand before. Tiam, Tony Moly, Isn't-Tree, which I actually haven't tried yet. I'm really excited to try. They seem to be a really popular brand these days. Eliza Vecca, some more Isn't-Tree. Oh, the rest is all Isn't-Tree. I hope I'm saying that right. But a bunch of samples. I did notice that Joohky does do a lot of like weekly sales, so I think that is really nice. Girl loves a bargain. It's nice and bubble wrapped, which is good. Oh, so this is something I chose because I've been wanting to try this brand for quite a while now, and it is Dear Dahlia. Like, I'm sure you guys have seen it. It's like the most aesthetically pretty kind of brand ever. Since the opportunity came along, I was like, yes, I want to try them. So this is their eyeshadow palette. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Look at it. It's like all marble. Ooh, oh, look at the colors. So pretty. I don't have a palette that's like, it's a mix of pink and like warm tones, which is so what I love right now. Like, my two looks that I generally go for is just like warm browns, oranges, or pink. So this is like in one. Let me do a little swatchy of one of them. Ooh, it feels so velvety. Ooh. Oh, look at it. Oh, it's so pretty. And that shine. Let's try like a not so shimmery. Ooh, these colors are just so usable. That is so freaking exciting. Stop saying that word. Is there something in here? Oh, there is. It's just, again, wrapped up so tight. This must be Dear Dahlia Paradise Dream Velvet Lip Tint in the shade Teddy. I think I went for something that's, I can wear it every day, not too bright, not too light. Oh, it's so freaking cute. Look how cute it is. And whenever I saw this on Insta, it just looked like so smooth on the lips, and like it just looked like it felt so nice, the colors were so nice, and it just looked so flattering. So another one that I'm just like stoked. Ooh. Oh, it is such a pretty color. So it's kind of like your everyday corally pinky. Oh, it feels so nice. It's like probably like in between an oil and a mousse, kind of velvety, souffle-y, and just like melts into your skin. They're the things that I kind of like asked for, because they were like, do you want to choose something? And I'm like, yes, you are so nice. And then apparently the other products are products that the Joohky team chose for me. Ooh, what is this? A Deep Cleanse Pores by Juicyful. The strong pore cleansing effectively cleanses away makeup residue and impurities from the skin pore care. So it's a nice pore cleansing cleanser. After primary facial cleansing, apply in areas that need pore care and leave it on for 3 minutes. Oh, it's cool. So you can actually use it as a face wash, but also like a like targeted area mask, which is probably what I'm going to use it more for. I actually haven't heard this brand before, Juicyful, so that's cool also. And then who doesn't love a sheet mask? Again, from the same brand, Juicyful, so it'll be interesting to try these guys out because I never have. It is their Calming Energy Care Sheet Mask, brightening and calming mask. Who doesn't love a little brightening and calming to the skin always? I'll leave the links to all the kind of like brand sites and stuff that I mentioned in the video, so if you guys want to check them out, please head over to the description. But that was a lovely parcel from the guys at Joohky. Oh yeah, this is cool. Okay, so this is actually a really cool, like, kind of legit thing. It makes no sense whatsoever. I don't know if you guys have heard of it, the brand Banish. Basically, it's about repairing your skin and using collagen, what's it called? The thing where you like scar your, what is it called? Collagen induction or something. But anyway, it's like the full set that you use to basically reduce scars over time. So like acne scars, even wrinkles, your pores. It basically like tricks your skin into repairing itself to make more collagen and like get healthier. Honestly, like the testimonies they have on their site and stuff is very convincing. So many people's skin has changed like drastically from it. I kind of would like to give it a try, but more so I wanted Logan, my partner, to give it a try because he does have a bit of acne scarring and that. But they sent like their full kit to get started, which is super cool. This is like the Banisher, I think it's called, or the Banish stick. The actual needles that you poke into your skin. It's got the Banish oil, which I think this is their like vitamin C oil. Yeah, it's got vitamin C in it, which like that alone, vitamin C serum, gotta love it. There's lots of little bits and pieces in here. I like that they package everything in paper too. That's really nice. Vitamin C beauty elixir. What? I will have to read up on how I use each one of these. Pumpkin enzyme mask. I'm definitely going to give that one a go because, oh, I wouldn't lie. All clear mint cleanser. Nice. Oh my god, so many things. Activated charcoal clay mask and vitamin C cream. Again, love a mask, love some vitamin C. And then what is this? It looks like a little sock or something. Oh my god, they're actually socks. And what is this? It's like a, maybe it's like a massage stick. And then actually have some socks. So cute. And then on the back it says, with confidence, step into the world. Bunch of awesome goodies from Banish, the full kit. I'll let you guys know how that all goes. It is actually from Army Cosmetics, which I have mentioned many times. Oh, I've seen this on Insta and stuff. Skin Star Beauvengers. Let's see what's inside. Oh, it's got a little explanation of all the brands, which is really nice. Whoa, these things look like intense. Oh, it's in Korean. For creator. 안녕하세요 is about all I can read. Cute. Maybe I'll try read it later and see if I can. Oh, it's all in Korean, damn it. We have the V10 Pore Cleansing Multivital 10 System. Oh, cleansing pads. That is awesome. I always love these. These are super handy. I love using them after masks or when I don't want to do a full cleanse on my skin. It's a nice quick one. Low pH. Love it. Oh, an oil cleanser. I did love their pore oil cleanser. So this one's anti-pollutant full makeup cleansing oil. Love the color. The bottles are always so freaking generous. Got another jar of the Centella 65 green tea pack, which honestly I love and I have mentioned it before. Probably good because my mum liked it too, but I didn't want to give her mine because I liked it so much. So maybe I can actually give my mum one now that I have two. These look like super intense. From CL4 Premium, Hyaluronic Propolis Ampule and Mediclear Tea Tree Ampule. They're actually like little capsules and I'm assuming they're all like single-use little serum bottles. They look so fancy. But this one's like a tea tree, so it's probably going to be, I mean, it says sebum control, so when you're feeling a little bit breakout prone. And then this one is propolis, so it's going to be a nice like anti-aging moisturizing one. A Supreme 24K Gold Ampule with gold and patented complex nourished ingredients to help enhance the radiance and elasticity of the skin. Wow, looks fancy too. I might actually check this one out and see. Whoa, ooh, it actually has gold pieces in it. And then the last product, ooh, looks like something I would love. It is Herb Jojoba 100 Oil Pure Golden Jojoba Oil. Is it just jojoba? Oh, it's literally just jojoba oil. Yes, I mean, I'm gonna love it. I have been loving my Muji jojoba oil, you guys know. I feel like it just works for my skin really well. It helps balance like hydration and oil. It works for combination to normal skin types. It's a nice lightweight oil, so I'm glad I have another backup. And this is a big ass bottle. This is 60 mils. So that'll last me a really long time. And I do like that it is in a dropper. Again, a wonderful package from them. We got two more to go. This one is from Wishtrend. If you guys follow me on my beauty Insta, you may have seen that I recently started using the I'm From Rice Toner and I have been loving it so far. So I thought I will continue this I'm From kick, and I actually got all I'm From products from Wishtrend. This one, Mugwort Essence, obviously one that I just had to try because Eunice or Yunyani is just, oh no, I damaged the box. But she has used this many times and basically won't shut up about it. So I had to try it. The mugwort essence. It is literally just 100% mugwort extract, right? Like the ingredient. Yeah, here we go. Okay. 100% Artemisia princeps extract, which is mugwort. Very keen to try this out with my rice toner that I'm currently using. And then also the ginseng serum. This is a really nice like anti-aging one, which I am ready for. Like, let's keep this firmness and like all that while I can. So the ginseng serum, and then also their honey mask, which seems to be a really nice popular one. Oh, I guess I have another like moisturizing wash off, which is nice. As I said, I just needed a couple of those since we're going into winter as well. And it uses 38.7% of natural honey. It covers skin vitality and moisture through immediately supplying moisture and nourishment, which honey is a great humectant. Wonderful products from Wishtrend, from the brand I'm from. And then one last package. This is probably like the only one that's not actually like skincare, but it is beauty related. It's from a brand called Glamcor. Oh, what the heck? So it's in this like cute ass packaging, and it's like a Christmas tree. And it's a mirror. Oh my god, I'm so... Cause right now this is like essentially the mirror I use to do my makeup. There's no lights or anything, and it can get quite hard sometimes when I have to do my makeup at like 6 AM in the morning when I start work at 7. Ooh. Oh, the actual mirror is like not too heavy, which is nice. Like, that's the mirror, and it's quite thin. Ooh, there's so many parts to it. What do I do? What do I do? Oh, here we go. Wait a second. Oh, this is another mirror? Ugh. Oh, what? Slide out the... Oh, slide out, slide. Ooh. Ooh. Wait, legit? Oh, I think I have to charge... That's so cool. Oh, it's like a super zoom up mirror. It's like 7 times magnification. Can you guys see? Can you guys see yourselves in it? There you are. Wow, this is like really cool, and you definitely can get really up close and personal, but it's kind of gross because you can see all of my pores. Holy wow, and look at the light. It's just so pretty. Turn it off. Hold it down. Oh, it gets brighter too. What? And then, oh my god, how many freaking mirrors are there? Oh shoot. Okay, this is getting a little bit complicated now. There's another mirror, something to do with that. And then, is this like you put your phone in it kind of business? No? Oh, I don't know. I hope there's instructions. Oh, okay, maybe these are the instructions. Here we go. This is so cool. So, wow. Do you see how it lights up my face? It gets brighter. Oh, gets so bright. Holy. You also have like a Bluetooth option. It's a Bluetooth selfie function, so you can take photos with Bluetooth. And then this thing, it is to put your phone on. You can like put this on here and like put your phone on it, so you can take well-lit selfies. What? Damn, that's so cool. So that is from the guys at Glamcor. Again, I will leave all their links below. But anyway, I hope you guys found it fun unboxing with me. Please let me know if you guys like unboxing, since I have never done one before. If you want me to do it again in future, I would like to know. But anyway, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! Mwah.